Okay. Good thing about this is there's only 3 wires and they're nicely color coded. So I'm going to go ahead and thread these through the hole. Hold them as I go through. And we are done. That's it. Now in this case it actually says let's go ahead and screw these in. So these are the infamous black ones. In this case I'm just going to kind of line this up and start screwing them in. The nice thing about this kit is that it's not rigid. So if the holes don't line up easily, each little stand or the other parts that we use, the sensor mounts from the bottom chassis, they're flexible and we can move them around. So it kind of, the whole unit flexes a little bit while you're building it, which gives you that leeway that you're going to need. You can easily see if the screws fit or not. Now, you might be asking yourself, wait a minute, you didn't put the batteries in. That's right, but the reason why is because there's a nice, easy spot to get in here with my fingers, so I'm not really too concerned about that issue. I'll get in there in a moment. Furthermore, I'm probably going to have to open this up again because we're going to be mounting some sensors on the unit. And the last of the screws. So, I've already got a comment about all this because there's a lot of screws. They are easy to screw in. The kit's very easy to determine where the screws go. There are a lot of screws though. So my recommendation is if you plan to do a lot of work within the unit, make sure you do it and everything works and you test it before you actually start screwing in everything, because it won't be fun unscrewing this and rescrewing it and unscrewing and get it right the first time, test it, get it working, and then move on. The other thing I might recommend is that this comes with a battery pack. And it's basically, and all of Parallax kits come with that, but I recommend that you get a rechargeable battery and swap it out for what you have there. However, if you're just starting off with robotics and this is your first robot kit, I don't recommend that. For those of you like me who are familiar with this and you have plenty of these battery packs laying around, you're going to want to do it, save yourself some money. The other thing is that make sure that if you're not going to be doing that you have plenty of batteries laying around, especially when you start programming. You're going to find that you're going to run through batteries left and right, especially while you're testing new code and testing new things. Takes time, takes energy, and who knows what you're going to be doing, especially if you're practicing navigation or object avoidance or anything like that. So there you have it. The upper chassis, lower chassis connected. My handles right here. This turned out to be a very simple unit. As you can see here it is. And one piece got loose in there, which is the battery clip itself. I'm actually going to leave that out for now. There we go. We've attached it and we're done. That'll conclude this portion of the review. The next portion of the review, I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to be talking about how to wire up all the circuitry. But this is as far as we go with the hardware. You know, this is not a functional kit yet, but you've got all the hardware in place. Chassis are is built. All the screws are tightened. Everything's ready to go. You are wired, ready to plug in any board you want to plug into. These clips or these connectors here are designed, I believe, for the Parallax board. So if you wanted to use a different board, you have to basically clip all these and rewire it. That's about it.